Assalamualaikum students. Today our topics are asteroids and meteoroids and comets. Asteroids are the largest non-planetary and non-lunar objects in the solar system. These objects are larger than 100 meters in diameter. IAU has not defined any size dimensions and less than 1000 kilometers in diameter. The largest asteroid is Ceres with a diameter of 950 kilometers. They are generally irregular in shape and often have surfaces covered with craters. These are also named as minor planets or planetoids. Most of them orbit between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. A meteoroid is a small body traveling through space. These bodies typically originate from comets and asteroids. There is no well defined size range for a meteorite. However, we usually refer to a meteorite as a piece of matter, which, when it strikes the Earth's atmosphere, produces the visual phenomenon called a meteor. A fragment that survives to hit the ground is known as a meteorite. Comet क्या है? A comet is a celestial body that orbits around the sun. It is made up of nucleus, solid, frozen ice, gas, and dust. A gaseous, water vapor, carbon dioxide, and other gases, and a tail, dust and ionized gases. Its long tail of gas and dust always points away from the sun. Because of the force of the solar wind, the tail can be up to 250 million kilometers long. Comets are only visible when they are near the sun in their highly eccentric orbits. When comets are farthest from sun, they are named dirty snowball. Halley Comet is a periodic comet that orbits around the sun. Edmund Halley was the first person to recognize that it's periodic. It was last seen in 1986 and will be seen next in the year 2061. Its period is 75 years. Constellations are groups of stars visible within a particular region of the night sky, forming various shapes and patterns. Constellations have been named after the names of animals, tools, and objects. Some other constellations have been named after religious personalities and scientists. Constellations can be viewed after sunset and before sunrise. There are total 88 named constellations. The largest one is Hydra. Other examples include Ursa Major, Ursa Minor, Canis Major, and Canis Minor. ओके जो एस्ट्रोनॉमी में एमसीक्यूज हैं वो भी कर लेते हैं आंसर्स मैं जस्ट रीड आउट करूँगी व्हाट इज़ द मीन मास ऑफ द सन 1.98 into 10 power 30 kilogram. What is the temperature at the center of the sun? 15 million per Celsius. The top atmosphere of the earth directly reflects back into space nearly what part of the total amount of sun's energy coming to it? 30%. Okay, the phases of the moon are partially the result of the revolution of the moon around the earth. Constellations, referred to as zodiac, are imaginary regions that encompass the path of the planets. Black holes refers to collapsing object of high density. Which one of the following is not a unit of distance? Foot candle. Which one of the following planets orbits around the sun in a clockwise direction? Venus. Isobars are the lines connecting the places having same pressure. Spring tides occur on new moon and full moon days because on these days sun, moon, and earth are in a straight line. The position of Earth in its orbit when it is at its greatest distance from Sun is called aphelion. Which of the following planet is faster rotating planet? Jupiter. Which of the following planet has the smallest diameter? Mercury. Which of the following is the largest planet? Jupiter. The most abundant element in the Earth's crust is oxygen. The most हो गया. Who was the first to measure Earth's radius? Eratosthenes. Name the nearest star to our sun. Proxima Centauri. Name the nearest regular galaxy to our Milky Way. Andromeda. The lunar eclipse occurs when Earth is between the sun and the moon. Most important effect of moon on Earth is that the effect tides of the ocean. Among the planets of the solar system, the position of the Earth from the sun is third. Halley Comet is visible after every 76 years. Which of the following spacecraft enabled man to step on the moon first? Apollo 11. The setting sun often looks oval in shape because of refraction of rays of sun passing through the atmosphere. Which one of the following is applicable to the planet Venus? Brightest. Which of the following planet is popularly known as morning star? Venus. The first astronaut to set foot on moon was Neil Armstrong.